Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I'm with the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to learn how to create a faux Mad Hatter finish with Dixie Belle paint products. This piece of furniture is going to have black and white stripes. Using Dixie Belle fluff, assess your piece and decide where you'd like your stripes to be. Paint the areas in white where your stripes will be located. Make sure it's dry and be sure to use 2 coats. Gather your supplies and get ready to get started. Today you will need a spray bottle filled with water, multiple brushes, Bunker Hill Blue, Aubergine, Plum Crazy, and Mermaid Tail. This Mad Hatter finish has an ombre color. I like to start off in the corner using Mermaid Tail, moving into Bunker Hill Blue, into Aubergine, and then to Plum Crazy. Start with your Mermaid Tail and begin to cover the wood. Make sure to get around your areas in white. Once you've done your first coats, you're ready to start blending. Make sure you lay down your colors in the correct pattern and order and get ready to spray to blend the colors together. The trick to blending 2 colors together, keep 2 separate paintbrushes. Then use your spray bottle, spray it, wet it, use the 2 separate brushes to blend the colors together. After you've completed blending your 2 coats of colors together, you're going to get ready to tape off your areas where you're going to apply your caviar paint in black. Make sure to cover your edges of tape with your original white fluff. This stops any bleed through when you apply your caviar black. Apply 2 coats of black caviar paint. Wait until it's completely dry before you remove your blue tape. In this Mad Hatter design, I like to use gold leaf to surround the black and white stripes. This provides a barrier between the stripes and the color. When you apply your gold leaf, you're going to use satin sealer mixed with Mod Podge. I like to make sure that you apply it in an even, smooth motion, stick your gold leaf on, and make sure that you wait your 24 hours for your gold leaf to dry. Make sure your gold leaf surrounds all the edges and corners between your stripes and your color. Once your gold leaf has dried completely, you can remove it with a dry paintbrush. You can seal your piece with Dixie Belle's Best Dang Wax and Clear. Once that's dry, you can apply gilding wax and black wax to highlight. You've now completed your beautiful Mad Hatter faux finish chest. It's a great way to upcycle a piece and make a statement item for your room. This project was completed using all Dixie Belle Paint Company products. If you would like to purchase your own Dixie Belle, I'm including a link in the comments below.